At least 8 people were killed in a major blast that shook Karnataka's Shivamogga town last night. According to media reports, the blast was heard across Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa's home district at around 10:15 p.m. The explosion was reported at a railway quarry site in Karnataka's Shivamogga district, the police said. India's COVID-19 caseload crossed 1.06 crore with 15,223 new infections being reported in a day, while the recoveries have surged to 1.02 crore according to the Union Health Ministry data updated yesterday. A media report said that the total cases have increased to 1.06 crore. The death toll mounted to 1,52,869 with 151 daily new fatalities, the data updated at 8 a.m. today showed. With an aim to strengthen the BJP organization in Senapati district, a one-day district-level meeting was held today at the Senapati Community Hall organized by Karong Mandal, Dadubi Mandal and Mau Mandal. BJP Manipur in charge Sambit Patra, Manipur and Nagaland in charge Abhay Kumar Giri, BJP Manipur Pradesh President Professor S. Tikendra, General Secretary P. Premananda attended the meeting. Manipur Food and Medicinal Plants Processing and Cold Storage Cooperative Society Limited has made a fervent appeal to all concerned not to charge 20% earning of the society. The society has been operating since 2004 without looking for profit, Society President D.K. Sagolsem told to press meet today at the society office in Imphal. BJP Manipur Pradesh Medical Cell Convener and Kisan Morcha Vice President Dr. Ketrimayum Kala extended monetary aid of Rs 10,000 to the economically backward family of Yendrabam Kachai of Sarautel under Kundrakpam in Imphal East. Dr. Kala lauded Times of Manipur television for bringing to the limelight the plight of the weaker section of the society. Imphal East Police Commandos carried out house-to-house search operation at Mongkang Lambi area in Imphal this morning. Around 60 houses were searched and all residents were verified during the operation, a report said. The Union Ministry of Home Affairs MHA has awarded the Union Home Minister's Trophy of Best Non-Gazetted Training Institute in the Northeast Zone to the Police Training School, Umran in Meghalaya. According to media reports, a total of 18 institutes across the nation have been conferred the award in different categories. At least 5 people have died in a massive fire that broke out at Terminal 1 gate of the Serum Institute of India in Pune last afternoon. The fire was reported at a building near the Terminal 1 gate of the institute, which is located in the Manjri area of the city. According to preliminary information, all people have been evacuated from the building. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today attended the 18th convocation of Assam Tezpur University via video conferencing. Our Assam Bureau Chief reports Assam Governor Jagadish Mukhi, Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal, and Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal were present during the function. A total of 1,218 students who passed in the year 2020 were handed out degree and diploma certificates, besides giving out gold medals to 48 topper students of undergraduate and postgraduate. Manipur's COVID-19 caseload stands at 28,938 with 19 new cases in the last 24 hours as per the data provided by the State COVID-19 Command Control Room. The fresh cases were reported from Imphal West, Imphal East, Taubal, Bishnupur, Chandel, Senapati and Churachandpur districts. No fatalities were reported in the hours. The death toll stands at 367 in the state. The number of active cases is 220, while the recovery cases are 28,351. The state's recovery rate is 97.97% as at 11 a.m. today. Prices of petrol and diesel have now touched record high in the national capital after yet another hike today. Price of a litre of petrol in Delhi will now cost Rs 85.45, while diesel will cost Rs 75.63 per litre. all marketing companies raised the fuel prices by 25 paise. According to media reports, the recent hike has spiraled the price of petrol in Mumbai and Indore beyond Rs 92 per litre. In fact, the price of petrol in Sriganganagar, Rajasthan is now just Rs 2.50 away from hitting Rs 100 per litre mark. Nepal Prime Minister KP Ole today thanked the Indian government for sending 1 million doses of Covishield vaccine under a grants assistance program. Prime Minister KP Ole thanked Prime Minister Narendra Modi and people of India for the generous grant of 1 million doses of COVID-19 vaccine to Nepal at this critical time when India is rolling out vaccination for its own people. Claiming that Goswami is not the only culprit, the Congress chief alleged that many central ministers have violated their oath to help the Republic television chief earn commercial gains, and action must be taken against all those who were party to the entire episode. The Maharashtra Congress will stage a statewide protest today demanding the arrest and prosecution of Republic television founder Arnab Goswami.